Very good morning, dear students. Today in EVS class, I am going to discuss the next topic from chapter 8, birds. Our today's topic is different shapes of birds' feet. So please open your EVS book, open page number 63 and watch the video very properly. You have to keep your topic open whenever you watch it. Okay, so let's start. Different shapes of birds' feet. Birds' feet are also different, no, not similar to one another or each other. So how their feet is shaped, these are discussed here. Claw means foot of a bird. Foot of a bird is called claw. Okay, that is sharp and horny and curved on or bent to hold or pull something. This feet shape is curved, bent and horny. Okay, horny and very sharp. This help them to pull something and hold something. Okay, a bird's feet are shaped to help it move in its habitat. They can very easily move in their habitat through this with the help of this claw, okay, or feet. They also help a bird to make the nest, sit on the bark and hold the prey or food. This help them to make their nest. Not only this, they use their claw to sit or hold the branch to catch their prey, to hold their prey. Okay, prey you can say their food. Okay, now here you can see foot shapes and their work. How the foot shapes, their birds' foot shapes, how these are discussed and their work also discussed here. Perching birds. Perching birds, another name is sitting birds. Example is like sparrow, pigeon and tern. These are perching bird, have independent flexible toes. Independent means not connected. Okay, not connected to one toes to another, one toe to another, and flexible means you can say like elastic, capable of bending easily. Okay, this is called flexible. So perching bird has this type of toes. Okay, with one pointing backwards, ideal for one toe is pointing backward. Okay, and three frontward or forward. Ideal for grasping high branches. Grasping, you can say to hold strongly or firmly with their toes. Okay, with these toes they can easily grasp any high branches. Okay, see here holding or grasping a branch. Next is climbing birds. Climbing birds you can say woodpeckers and parrots. These are example of climbing birds. Means they can climb very easily to the tree. Climb the tree very easily. Like parrots and woodpeckers have two toes. See their toes is how is designed. Two toes frontward and two backward. Okay, two pointing forward and two backwards. Two forward and two backwards. For climbing up and down, they climb up and down through these toes. Okay, and sideways also on tree trunks. So they climb the tree trunks. See, one picture is there. They climb the tree trunk, climb up, down, and sideways also. See, one woodpecker is want to go to its nest. Okay, sideways also they can move due to their this designed toes. Okay, now come to swimming or water birds. Swimming birds, another name is water birds also say, such as ducks and swans. Ducks and swans have swimming bird. Our swimming birds have waving between their toes for swimming. Their toes like this, like wave. Okay, waving means joint together. Okay, this help them, this provide them to swim easily. Okay, in the water. And this provide them extra help for swimming. Okay, these are webbed feet. You can say webbed feet.